guys, so welcome back to the vlog. Today, well, I don't know what we're actually gonna call our vlogs, but welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to the beach for the second time. The first time we tried to vlog it, but it didn't really work out. Like, we got some clips I can insert, but it wouldn't make sense. But yeah, we're going again today because summer is ending. And yeah, so I'm at Square One by the Walmart. I was working all week, so I didn't get to prepare nothing, so I need to go buy like some sodas and some ice and stuff. I had to wake up early to clean out my car and everything, but yeah, you'll see everyone when they get here. I wanted pink lemonade. These are cheaper. The thing about me, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, yeah. I'll hug this one. $2 for $9. I can mix and match, or is that for that? But what are you getting? Juice.
Juice.
They sell these here?
Yeah.
Where?
$7 over there.
What are you buying?
Juice.
Okay. I couldn't. What are you looking for?
I want the cranberry pineapple
downstairs.
Yeah, I know.
What did you not find?
I wanted pink lemonade, but I didn't have it.
It's there. It's in the fridge.
It's there. It's in the
area.
fridge.
I found the regular. Could you get it,
I
please?
learned that
I'll
last
get it,
time.
Thank you.
Because last time I was so bad.
Where did you guys park?
Right here, just because I wasn't trying to walk far with the stuff. So
Are we gonna go like in the middle again?
yeah.
Okay, I'll meet you there. Maybe I should introduce you.
Yeah.
Camera's rolling, so.
Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back. What do you say?
I don't know. I already said that earlier. I don't know what we're gonna call it.
All right, we're gonna say hi everyone. This is the puzzle I brought for Crystal. She's not gonna do it at the beach. Oh, spoiler, we're going to the beach. I'm Daniela. If you didn't know, now you know, and we're gonna go pack the car. Let's do it.
This girl said.
Oh. Okay, wait. It's rolling? It's rolling?
Yeah. Can hold.
How do you hold it like this?
Anyway.
Oh, the screen. Here's the trunk. You're a weirdo.
Everything was definitely tumbling around on highway. I definitely heard it. So, oh! Where are your beverages?
Oh, I have some. I forgot. Oh, car's locked. Wonder how. Okay, boom.
Car locked?
Yeah. Hi everyone, so I brought this bag of food. Want to know what's in it? Chips. I'm just gonna put the chips here for a second. Chips. So I asked what's on the menu. Crystal said chips. And I got some Smirnoff. I had to leave some in the fridge because Dale said, oh, Dale is my dad. Dale said, where are you going with all of that? So I just left it at the beach. So some Palm Bays, 2 ginger ales because I couldn't really pack the rest. And Crystal has water, Pink Whitney, Crown, water. Oh, the woodies.
I don't know what that is. Someone left it in my vehicle last time, so I had to.
Screen went black.
Oh, it's still a roll. And as long as the thing is beeping.
Okay, yeah, it's good. We're good. This is my cup because.
You have a straw?
Yeah, I brought I brought straws, but I don't like reusable straws. Sorry, turtles. But
Huh? You don't use?
nah, cause they're hard to clean. Crystal has Pepsi. People pulling up on us like that.
Swerve into the pit.
Oh, I forgot my bag's not empty yet. And these snacks too.
I don't know which random is carrying this because
yeah, not me.
it's coming heavy already.
You might be wondering what we're gonna eat of food, like food. I might be wondering the same thing.
I wish I had an answer for you.
Because, hey man, chips.
We might have to stop on the way there. That's what we did last time.
Okay, I'm fine.
I said might though. I don't know.
I'm fine with that. I'll
Might
be
have to starve for the day. Might have to starve.
Oh, I'll grab the ice.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, sorry.
Okay. Oh yeah, I have 2 coolers, but okay, we'll put 2 ice in here.
How many ice? How much?
I have 4.
Okay.
Oh, maybe I should have buffed up first.
I put you guys like this.
No, don't drop camera. Just hold it.
Yeah, this will good. Oh, this
Father
thing
dropped it. Heck expensive.
No.
Keep pulling up.
In which? In where? No. Unless.
No.
Oh yes. You want another one? Oh no.
All of them, my drinks are chilled. I don't know about everyone else's drinks.
Yeah, don't care. Kidding. I care.
I didn't get garbage bags.
Oh. That's a good point.
Garbage bags?
Yeah. It's already hot.
It's supposed to be hotter up there.
I'll actually.
I think 40 or 37.
What?
Last time I wanted to melt. I promise you.
The water is only touching up to here. I'm not doing no breaststroke, front stroke, doggy paddle, none of that, cause just to be safe. Oh.
No.
What's going on here?
Putting it on.
You? Piss me off. But what if I want to see what we're recording? Oh, it's working.
Yeah.
All right, so this is packed. You're gonna have a lot of editing to do.
Yeah, I know. It's hot.
Do a panorama. No. What's it called when? A B-roll. Maybe not B-roll. I don't know. I was talking to myself.
Oh, I'm between the same place that we parked last time, the Walmart and the Sport Check. Are you with Abby? Oh, okay. You're jigging. Is it you pulling up?
Oh, what do I do with the chips? I'm gonna put them back in the bag.
Now my baby is pulling up. I don't know if we're using both coolers or not. I only filled the one. I don't know. If anything, I'll just leave it in the car. Let's pop it.
You hurt. I always do this.
I tried to do it and I said,
I'm like, wow, my phone is dead. How did you let me fall asleep without putting anything on the charger?
My phone, I woke up by the grace of God.
Yo,
Everything
my
is
phone
dead.
was dead. I woke up, I was like, no.
Everything is
Laptop dead, watch dead,
Everything.
phone's dead.
I don't have my watch.
Yeah, me either. You don't see it at home charging.
Fucking demons.
I brought hats.
Oh, you're. Look at you. You got hats for fucking safari hats. You're gonna be both of you today.
Yo, every time she talks rough, you have to come to my aid and I'll come to your aid. Cause I'm tired of her shit. Every day talk rough. I have backup today. Every day talk rough. It's not every day. I brought sunscreen, you know?
It's not every day.
Please relax your voice today.
Why? Did you guys bring sunscreen? Yeah. Look at her, look at her,
Oh,
look
it's
at her,
now
look at her.
10:27.
You lost your phone?
Here's the
Camera?
Wait, I'm gonna put the vlog back down. Frig.
I heard you're the next person I have to watch for. That just makes comments that you have to just listen to.
Hi. Oh, look, we're glasses twins.
Oh, yeah. Okay. No percentage, so the car has to stay on. Okay, who's driving?
Yeah, I was about to.
Okay. So Angela's coming through or no?
Anjola and Faiza.
Hi vlog.
So,
Where are they? Beats me.
I don't like when people make me talk so early in the morning. Like, it's too early for this.
Hi vlog.
Okay guys, so as you can hear, my boyfriend's kind of upset because people can't manage. It is currently, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's currently
Look,
oh, package was delivered.
package was delivered.
Yeah, people aren't on time when they're supposed to be here. So I don't know what to tell you. I could have sworn
Wait, these are the comfy shoes you said to walk with?
my chanclas.
These are them? Because I have mine. But I said, let me bring sneakers.
It like
Say less to me. I'll just leave
you
mine.
can wear slides.
Yeah, they're in my bag.
It just last time it was just ridiculous. Outside.
I was just changing, like, looking at my bag and, like, my freaking.
Don't ever bring fucking school back with you again.
Because the duffel bag makes my head want to pop off. Oh.
That's what they're called. Why?
Because I heard you heavy sigh and you started walking over here. I didn't like it. I had to cut you.
It doesn't look that good.
Yeah, I think I do.
Oh, Michael is already on his. He's been on his way for like 9:30.
Oh, up there?
Yeah,
With Trey and Dante?
I believe.
Because I have zero filter, and before I start drinking, I need to know. Okay, so if I... Listen, I'm letting it be known. Whatever comes out of my mouth today, I'm not sorry.
And I'm gonna back her up.
I'm not sorry.
Too, so period.
I'm not sorry. Like, it just comes out. I don't care. There's no filtration coming through me at all today. I'm not sorry.
Let me.
Do you want to see my hat?
No, Daniela, put it away.
No, let me see. No,
I got a white one just in case.
Guys, I don't know where she thinks she's going with.
Safari head ass.
You're gonna put it on. Oh.
Hey, do you have Faiza with you? How close are you guys?
You don't like it?
We're
But
parking
I like
at
the dad
same
just
spot
got-
as last time.
And you brought extras inside.
Yeah, we're just waiting for.
And I just have two.
What's the other color?
It's brown. Doesn't really
Oh,
matter.
she had an African Lion Safari one.
Yeah,
Oh no.
you know the vibes.
Yeah.
I do, but I don't want to.
Yeah,
I promise you, I don't
whose
want to.
son is that? He's breaking neck.
Stop speaking.
Yeah. Oh, backpacks to the beach.
Oh, took a shower, it was cold.
What did you bring? Backpack? Oh, track pants.
Track pants.
I knew. I saw you going into Walmart,
You saw me, right?
Yeah.
I was like,
and I said to my mom, "That's heavy," and then we kept it pushing.
that's mom's.
Shut up. I'm gonna.
Sorry every time hit females, I don't know.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. Hello.
Yeah, look at those guys.
So just gonna be a quick interview until we wait for everyone to get here. This is. You wanna introduce yourself?
That guy.
Baby arms.
King of the streets.
King of the streets, you get me?
Baby arms. You know?
We just have a few questions
Woman
for you.
abuser.
Yep.
Sir?
You know. Yep. Yep. All right. So our first question for the day is we see you went to the gym this morning, right?
Mm-hmm.
How often do you go to the gym?
6. times a week.
6 times a
Oh,
week.
6 out of 7. I hear ya.
We just started. We
So
just
when do you
started out
think
2
this
weeks.
baby body is gonna disappear and a real man body is gonna come?
You know winter's coming.
Whenever the Lord blesses me.
Like, you can't be skin and bones all the time. Like, I don't know.
Just wait on it.
When are the tattoos coming?
Never.
I didn't like that answer.
Never.
He's a fraud, you know?
I'll
He
pay
said
for
he
your
has
first
tattoos
tattoo.
already.
I get the water tattoos.
Get off
Those are
me.
hard
You
on.
can't do fraudulent, guys. I
You
don't
switch
know.
up any time. Those are hard.
What was the next question I said? No, you said you had one. You have to ask. You have to ask it.
I have a question for you, sir.
Mhm.
I just step closer. Actually, come into the light a little bit. Just so the camera can see. How old are you?
22. What?
How old are you, sorry?
22.
When's your birthday?
December 2nd. 97.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
So I have a quick question.
Mm.
Is it a Ghanaian thing that you guys can't grow beards, or like wagwan? Wagwan.
Hello?
Guys, look at the body difference in these. This baby boy and this grown man. Daniela, it's crazy, right? It's crazy. You hate to see it, but you love to see it. I don't know.
Beyond me.
It's crazy. The baby body. This is the aspiration we want this guy to achieve. We want you to go to the gym 6 days a week, and we want you to hit this. And they both can't grow beards. It's a Ghanaian thing for real. Baby, hush. What are your thoughts?
Maybe they should join the same gym and train each other.
Guys, this guy has been bullying me all week.
Wake up, sir.
I missed that bit. I mashed up my burger. Here, he said, why are you asking for my size? For thing. And I just wanted to let him know that. I just wanted to know. Hi everyone. Didn't see you there. So I'm having apple slices right now on our walk to the beach. That's all I gotta tell you.
Daniela eats apple slices after the club instead of eating pizza or like greasy foods.
Yes, because health as well. In it.
I like that.
Shut the hell up. Honestly, shut up. Oh, there's people in little rafts. Don't touch the water.
Yeah, don't even do that.
Don't do
Don't
that.
drink it. Don't do nothing. Don't get it on your face or your skin. Because that water looks disgusting. It's kind of murky. Just vibes though. No sanitation, just vibes.
I like that. It's okay to be sick sometimes.
Good?
You okay?
Yeah.
Good done.
Shut up for a second. You could have shut up.
Because even where we were last time, we could see the noodles.
Yeah, and he said it's not as deep as the one. And that's not our part.
It's hot out here. Okay guys, so we made it to the beach. It's hot. I don't know if you can see, but this is Danny Boo. She has a surprise for you guys.
Oh. No sunburn, just vibes. You get me?
Are you just vibing today?
Yeah, just vibes.
It's just pure vibes. I don't know.
We get a little wine. Oh no, we don't have wine.
We might.
It's okay. Palm Days, a couple Palm Days in me. It's over for you. It's over for
But I want to put like,
Over for
I want to make it so my house is like 25%.
over for the whole lot of you. I'm gonna say in the sand.
You're okay?
Yeah, you feel like half the
Yeah.
So like chain change?
Yeah, just
Clothing
I
up,
know, put on the towel last
I
time.
already have my clothing.
Where's the
I slipped last time.
Where's the
This guy
bathroom?
used it. I put on the
It's
towel,
so
honestly,
good, my fault.
It's okay.
and just hugged it.
Yeah, I'm starting my do stuff.
You want me to hold it up for you like, you know, your parents hold it at the beach? Interview time. You ready for your interview for her?
You hear that?
Do you have your questions ready for her?
I did. No, God. No, literally, I was at work.
I'm ready for your question.
Yo, it's an interview. You have to come over here.
Okay.
Oh, wow. You guys are dumb.
I'm ready.
Hello. So we're here with Chantel. It is, right?
No, that's not even my name.
Wait, what is
It's Chantel on my phone, so it's Chantel.
Okay, fine. I give you that. I'll give you that. Yeah, Shantae.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
So yeah, we're losing some people because of COVID.
Yeah.
We need people on the streets right now.
The streets. So
Yeah.
what do you mean? Like, what do you mean? Like walking the streets or like
Working the streets.
walking what? Like walking
Once-
like
once-
with my bag going home or like walking to the bus stop with my Presto card out?
Remember when we said
What streets are we talking
that
about right now?
she could work the 6
streets where
days?
They treat you this. They don't respect you at all.
Oh, so you want me to get disrespected?
Well,
For the right price, yes.
For the right price.
Yeah.
What kind of price are we looking at right now?
For you, for starter pack,
Yeah.
for a night, we'll say you can ring up at least 2,000 K.
2,000?
Yeah, but
That's what I'm worth. So this good goods
You
worth?
bring me one 1,800 and you keep 200 for yourself. Yeah.
And I
That's
keep
just for the first
no, hold
night,
on,
though.
sorry, no, hold on,
Starter pack.
Sorry, just
You gotta
my
build,
head.
you gotta
no,
build.
it's a bit hot. Hold on, 200 for myself. So I do all of that. I walk the streets.
I'd bring
Someone
you
dig
to
out my hole and then I get $200.
okay, but you're not understanding
I was
this.
giving people $1 at one point. This is a big upgrade.
Okay.
He's just making sure you're loyal. You'll get more money after.
Yeah, you
Okay.
get
Okay, so what's the price range? You said $1,800?
Yeah.
I feel like I can do a little bit more than that. Or I'm gonna have to find
You
it.
want one?
Can you
He's
tilt the
trying to
camera up and down
recruit her
so
for the
she can do
streets.
better?
I can listen.
She said she can do better. Can you show the camera
I
up
can
and
do
down?
better. I can do better.
What
I can
she's
do
working
better.
with?
I can do better.
You guys think she can do better?
I could do better.
Alright, well, probably like 2,100. That's 100 more. I can't go over that. We have to see.
We have to see first for the first night.
Yeah.
I mean, you could try to keep the money for yourself, but he's a strong guy. He'll shake you up.
Can I think about it? I'll get my lawyers to talk to you.
On to the next. We don't think about it. On to the next.
That's fine because when I find the next pimp and I'm racking 5,000K. Okay.
What about you? What about you?
What about me?
You want to be in the streets as well? See what
You said yeah?
You see the energy I like? That's the energy.
Oh, she's already there. You hear that? You're trying to poach some next.
Hello guys, once again we're here with
Angela.
Jola. Yeah.
Please let me not water down my
Oh, you can tell she's Nigerian. And
What you dealing with? What you dealing with? Vlog, what you dealing with?
Hey,
You know what it is.
that's
So-
a big dog.
What is it?
That's the big dog. Big dog.
We're looking for people who can work in the streets now. Ari, would you want?
Work in the streets.
Would you
What's the
be?
answer to that?
Would you like to volunteer for now?
volunteer. What is the job description?
Well, I'm not gonna lie. Man disrespect you. Yeah,
Man
they-
disrespect me?
They disrespect you.
A whole me?
A whole queer.
A whole me?
Hey man, whatever pays.
I'm gonna have to turn it down still. No. I'm her representative. How much is it worth?
Bitch is trying to kick me out.
No, I'm her representative.
Night in, night out, you get around 2K. You might get.
I've actually gotten
Khalid, yeah, actually.
The minute we came down, I'm like, oh my god, like I just like Khalid.
Yeah.
You got that?
Literally.
He said he got that?
You guys are godly men.
That's fine.
The men of God.
My body belongs to Jesus. I can't sell it. Sale. It's been bought with the price. Blood of the lamb.
IG says it's been bought. That's why I asked if you want to volunteer.
Oh, the body. It's not mine to give away. The body? Yeah, it's not. I'm so sorry.
So whose is it?
It belongs to Christ.
Oh, I got it.
But these guys are men of God.
The ones are the worst ones. Still. They hide behind the cross. They're not godly. You have to pray for the spirit of discernment. So for now, my answer is no.
It's a no.
Yeah.
We got another loser.
But I'm still single. Shut the hell up. we're looking for the street
We're looking for the
worker
street
right now.
worker.
Oh, I'm trying to get wifed. I don't know. I don't want to be on
Not
the
now.
street.
It could happen.
From
This
the
could be.
streets?
Yeah, it could be on opportunities. Networking. Come on. Come on. Think about it. We'll let sleep on it. And then
Let me
We'll come back
take
and-
a day.
yeah, take a
thank
day.
you for the proposal. I appreciate it.
No worry. We'll come to her later on. She'll come around. Don't worry. We got it.
Your answer is still maybe?
Oh yeah, Chrissy. I already have an employer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where?
On the avenue. Not quick.
On the app?
Huh? What street are you on?
East End, West End?
You were on the west now. We'll move you up to the west.
Yeah, the west is popping. The east is where you start out.
Yeah, east where you
Simple
started.
things
You
like
have to know-
Oshawa.
Yeah, so then what?
No.
Okay, yeah, so then west.
The west? Like downtown or
Downtown.
Jane and Finch?
Oh, downtown, thank you.
Oh, straight downtown.
Thank you. Heart of Toronto, Yonge Street, Queen Street West.
You're gonna meet her there?
I told you. I'm not involved. Darn it.
Turn off the camera, yes.
Yeah, turn that shit off.
Oh, it's mine. I told you to hold it for me.
That's what I was wondering. It's empty. Like,
Yo, let's go.
Oh, you're ready?
Wait. I paid for two hours parking and it's past 2 hours.
You paid for parking? Where?
I got parking on the road, fam. I was going up to park at the LCBO and a car came out. And the car in front of me had a whole bowl attached to it. So I said, fuck you, you're not going that parking spot. So
You're gonna go to the car?
No, it's an app.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, birds, tech time. Alexia!
Oh, that's shocking. For some reason, I thought it was yours. Ew. Hey, are you recording?
Yeah.
So, no, stop. Skirt.
What you saying? You out here?
You get the girl spot, man. You know what it is. This girl's like, get me, man.
YouTuber? You're a YouTuber? You know what it is. Can you say hi to me? Say hi to me.
Gang shit. Damn you, yo, take a look into the ocean. You know what I'm saying? We're in Mexico right now. You didn't even know. You keep sleeping on us.
Idiot.
Tours during COVID. I'll go.
The guy's an idiot. You're dumb. Taste it.
Oh my God.
You taste it? What's going on, LCT? Gang. Namaste. What are you? Buddhist?
Has to be.
It's fine.
It's good? It's at 54%.
I don't know how to turn that.
That's right. Or the side right there.
Very drunk. Me? Yo. Me sober.
Fucking life. She's dangerous.
This is water. You want to check it?
I'm good.
Mike, this is your phone? This is water.
I believe you.
This is your phone playing music? This is your phone playing music? Clear? You can hold it. I want to request a song.
Okay.
It's going to be for Daniela. The request is for Daniela.
Wait, let me stand up then.
Here,
Let me stand up then. You want me to get you?
No, it's okay. Thank you. I was phone crystal. It's wet. Oh, but you're wet too. Alright.
I thought you were getting up, like going. I can get up.
No, I want to go back. Now this boost up is winding me up.
Messing up the look, alright? Oh, man. Now I'm like, what, 12 out of 10?
What you know about West?
Give me the camera! Give me the camera! You ready? This is the one. I wasn't trained in them things.
Hey, this is my song. Hi, welcome back to Daily Vlog. So, be the guys in here. I like this song. Your turn, Crystal.
For those of us who are just joining us, welcome to Beach Day
I don't know what's good.
with LexCeeTee. Right now we're just vibing, having fun, you know, summer vibes, water, sand, sun. You need lip balm? I have. I just gotta find it. You're good? No, not the. Not the.
Come on, man. You know, no chopstick or anything. You don't need anything, no. None of that. Lips are butter.
Not the waves. Oh, not the twist. Angela, your chair's saying something different. Let's interview it. I disown it.
One for the beach, though.
I found it when we got here.
Oh.
Should have got a thing when what's his face sat on it.
Nolan. I wish I caught it. Nolan sank. It was like quicksand. Swallowed him up.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago, sir. I'm gonna get the car.
Show my hand. These are my drawers. I have to put them on. What? I'm talking about my drawers. LOL. What she said?
No.
I'm gonna get them on.
You're gonna have to.
Crystal, do you have one today?
I was vibing.
Yo.
I wanted to go back, to be honest, but they were ready to go.
I had a good time. It was a good end of summer.
Like if I had night vision, I would still be in the water, kind of thing.
You're not cold?
No,
It was cold in
I
there.
was vibing. Here we going tomorrow?
Yo, Wendy's.
Yeah.
Yemen.
Let me.
Are we gonna bring our backpack? I'm gonna carry my backpack.
No holes in this shit.
Kept time.
There's some holes.
Welcome back to. What are we called?
No, it's on. It's on.
What are we called?
Okay.
I don't know what the vlog is called. We didn't make up a name for the actual vlog.
Welcome back to our vlog. As you can see, Crystal and I didn't want to come out of the water. It wasn't one of those. We were forced.
It's okay though.
Fraud. Look at this. Look at this. Say it again. Even zoom in.
No, I don't have to say. No, I can't. I would like the record to reflect that.
Bye.
I never want to.
I don't know why people talk. I don't know.
I never want to hear
so
Angela can't hang ever again.
Angela's even going to Big England.
No, because
So,
it doesn't make sense.
wife, come. Is the sunset in the background?
The sun is gone. The sun is done, honey.
Yeah, but I need the cotton candy guys. So, you know, we had a good trip again.
I don't think Alexi was on the camera. Can't show.
Oh, Lex,
No, you didn't. Oh.
Lex. We're trying to close out the vlog. So guys, this is our beach day. Half of us are drunk, half of us are sober, half of us can't manage.
I'm hungry, but I want like good food. Like, you know, good food?
Bye, Aquaman. Aquaman's Austin.
Mike, wait, who did you go with?
Mike.
So he left you? No, he went to get the car.
So how would you rate the beach day today, guys?
Today was actually 10 out of 10. Perfect way to end summer.
Yeah, it was a good way to end our summer.
Everybody
I
was
trust him again
good
still,
vibes.
but
Yeah.
winter's coming. But like, if you guys
It's
want to
not
come back,
one
let
of
me know.
these.
We can come back before September's still hot. Is the problem. So let
So
me
if
know
it's if you have a warm weekend, you'll see another spot.
Let me know because I'm coming.
Y'all,
You know what? Like Sabo's open, so technically we can go there.
That water's
y'all comment, subscribe, and like. Let us know what
Y'all
else you
hear
want
that
to
she has
see.
no voice? Y'all hear that she
Yeah,
has no
I have none.
going.
If you guys want to see more vlogs like this, let us know.
Turn on the post notifications. Ding!
I hated that.
Yeah. We'll be back with some more challenges, some more vlogs. You guys just let us know what to do.
Hold on.
So we're gonna even come over here. You see a hater? I hate a hater. I hate a hater. Baby arms. How come you're wearing a sweater and I still can't see your arms? That's crazy. Yeah. Anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Every time.
Noodle arms. I don't know.
Guys.
Okay, so guys, welcome. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if there's night vision, but welcome back to the nightly vlog. This is Danny Boo.
And the gray sweat tracky. Don't wash the slippers.
This is why I needed to drive. I have like 3 extra slides in car.
I don't remember.
How did you enjoy your trip with us?
I had a great time.
Did you learn lots?
Yeah, I learned a lot about you all. Characters.
I don't know.
I told, how much time did I tell you to shut up your mouth today?
About 15.
Yeah.
It's rounded to
Yeah.
15.
Would you come out with us again?
I would if you guys invite me.
Hey man, you're already invited.
We have to go on like a threesome date. But like, yes, I told her.
Let's go.
This is Angela's chair, by the way, in case anyone is
So it
wondering.
can happen. Out there every weekend for fun. Every week for fun.
Okay, come tomorrow.